In today's episode, I'm continuing on getting my house back together after Christmas. So if you want to see what area we tackle today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am in my breakfast nook. Now, it you may not believe it, but it is really dusty, really dirty. It has glitter everywhere, and I need to get all the glitter out from Christmas and get this room ready so I can decorate it for Valentine's. So I thought I would take you along with me as I did a little cleaning and dusting in here. So sit back and relax.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lie like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. It's you.
Now, the one thing that I don't like about this room is the floors. The floors in this room, they didn't seal them. So when you sweep, it's like you're sweeping up the grout in between them. And then the other thing is that if I am to seal them, because of the kind of tile they will be orange. And I don't want orange floors. So I haven't really pushed the habit of having them sealed. So I'm dealing with them for now, but my ultimate goal would be to actually break them off the floor and make those floors in the breakfast area and the kitchen the same as the family room and the hallway. I actually want all of them to be that solid wood and not have that tile that's on the floor. But until then, it is what it is. So I have to keep sweeping, and then I found that I was using steam on them to clean them up, but the steam was also making more grout come up, so it was just like a hit or miss with this floor. So I do mop it, but I don't mop it as often as you normally would, because I just hate seeing all that grout come up and all that dust from it. But I try to keep it as nice as I can. Now, I know someone asked me about tying my curtains in knots. I've got that from my mom, to get them off the floor, so when you sweep or mop or whatever, that you don't mess up the curtains or pull them down or whatever. So I always tie them like that. They're not tied tight, they're loosely tied, so when I drop them down, they'll fall back into the area they belong. So let me get into more cleaning, and hopefully I can get this room looking decent so I can get ready for the next phase of holiday or seasonal decor. Now everything is cleaned off, shined, polished, buffed, so that the room is dust and glitter free. Things are back in their places. Everything looks neat. And I can get ready to get this room set up for the next seasonal decor. So I hope you enjoyed watching me clean and seeing how everything looks, and I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.